Welcome back to the channel.
You are all I'll ever need.
Obviously, we've had a bit of time off. So over the past couple of weekends, we've been here, there, everywhere. We've done a bit more progress on this. The transit, which is next to us, Kev's actually put a full ceiling in it now, and we just painted it this morning. So that's looking pretty good. We've still got one other side to go. And now we're just mocking up the skirts on the 13 because the overfenders have come and they're big white boys. And it's obviously not going to plan. So,
It's a two-man job, that. I did it earlier perfectly with him.
yeah, I know.
We've got a heart and no ginger.
Yeah.
That ginger.
If anybody wants to come give us a hand, we pay nothing an hour. Right, let's get cracking.
Can't get. What's your size, Jet, bruv? Fresh paint? No! Does it look like I'm fucking using it? Grab that end.
I can't, it's underneath. Right, we're on, Jim. Shut door.
Hang on a wee minute.
Take your time.
Yeah.
Sure.
Right, over Fendi. Ooh.
What width for these?
What?
The 50s.
Yeah.
So Kieran actually went and smashed some cash and got some shit fiberglass over them.
Prick. Down.
Yeah, I know, but I'm trying to get it underneath this skirt.
Kev, hold that skirt.
That's
No rush, mate. Fucking hell. Front hold at the back because you put the front down.
Pick up further more now. How is it? Is it about the same?
Yeah.
I'll turn around more like your fucking belly.
Wow.
I don't know. That's
Oh, that's
wide
better.
arch kit that is, mate. Wide arch kit that is.
Tandem kit.
Yeah, bud. The car currently has no inner seal, well, half an inner seal. Kev cut a massive hole in it, cut all the shit out. Ow. So we're gonna delicately take this off and then start continuing to put the seal on. So, what you stood like a teapot for?
Waiting for you to fucking help me take this off.
Oh, I'll take it off. Oh, it didn't work. There we go. Delicate. The bit that we've got to be careful with. There we go. Chuck it over there for now.
1, 2.
Fuck up! Oh, that's solid. Ow. Oh.
Filler, innit? Like the rest of it.
Ah, fuck. Why is that so heavy for fiberglass?
Huh?
It's so heavy for fiberglass.
Because it's got about a 10-ton of filler in it.
Just clean all this. Just clean all paint off. And all that in there.
Thought he's the army.
Fast now.
It's got a flappy on it.
Feel like you're a bit flappy, ain't you?
Wow.
Depends where you're looking.
Yeah, and then
Fucking reason. What profile? What profile type? Because that's like sitting on arch already.
that is a 265 on a 9J, so that's plenty of meat. You want 245 on a 9J, or 235, 225, 225 on a 9J.
Rubber bands.
Rubber bands. You got them jumbo willy bobs. Yeah. No, it looks alright. So as you've just seen, Kev tubbed the rear wheel arch. Well, I say tubbed, he cut it. Yet to be welded. And we're just checking to make sure an 18 will fit.
Which it does.
Which it does.
Just.
With a fat tyre on it. Why you would run a 265 on a 9J, I don't know. Unless you were going for grip, really. Are you gripping, or are you skidding, or are you fancy boying, or have you made your mind up yet? No. I can see a problem though. There's no tiltiness. Yeah, no, you need to pull it out. One day, that'll get back on the road.
It's one like that, isn't it? Like,
Thank you, Skyline, for sacrificing a wheel for a test fit.
made that one.
Take that cut a little bit higher, bud.
What?
Because you're adding
A mil.
2 mil.
What?
2 mil.
2 mil.
Yeah, you're adding 2 mil into that.
Yeah, but I ain't just doing it. I can put it on the outside, it doesn't matter. I can actually put it on the outside.
Yeah, but where you flat wheeled that, you took 2 mil out anyway.
Yeah, true.
Put the rest of this fucking shed together. So, there, put your hand there.
That's the end of the episode. As you can see, the 13's now got a outer and inner sill in, which is pretty solid. Also tubbed the rear arches, mocked up an 18 with the overfender on it. She's wired, didn't she?
It's got by fronts.
Yeah. So I think next weekend we're gonna do the rest of the welding that's needed on this side, get this side complete. So that'll be in next week's episode, finishing the welding off on this, and then we may also do another bit on the transit. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Bye now.